In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a number on your Android phone. You can follow this guide easily block a number. This video I'm explaining two easy method. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone, open the default phone dialer app. After the app is open, you can simply go to the recent tab at the very bottom. Here you can see all of the recent call history listed there. Find the exact number if you want to block. For example, I am blocked this number. Simply tap on it, then click on the three-line button. Here at the bottom menu bar, find the block button, click on it, then confirm by tap block again, and you have successfully blocked a number. The second way, if you want to block any number, simply tap on the three dots more button top right corner, go to settings. Once you are in the call settings page, scroll down slowly, find the block numbers option, click on them. Here you can simply tap on the section, then type the number if you want to block. For example, I am type this number. Once you have successfully typed the number you want to block, tap on the plus sign, and you have successfully blocked this number too. That's it guys, you can easily follow this two guide, block a number. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.